So this is Jhalak and welcome to my channel Sassy on 8. Today we are going to make this padded shoulder t-shirt at home with minimum cost. You don't even have to buy the pads from the market or somewhere else. We are going to make it at home. And as you can see, they are not very much puffy. They are giving a really natural look as if you haven't put anything here to make them stable. So we are going to make this at home. This kind of t-shirt are so high on trend these days. I saw this t-shirt on H&M. The padded shoulder t-shirts on brand are of plain colors. I have seen various colors that are available online, so it's up to you. You can even use printed one. I think they look good, but it's up to you. You can try it. I'm going to do it on a plain t-shirt as it gives a really classy look, and even if you want a formal look, you can just wear it simply and you'll straight away get a formal look. If you'll make pad at home, the pads will not look like very hard, or they won't be seamable from your t-shirt. I have used the clothes that I have at home. I had this plain t-shirt, so I took this one. If you want such kind of more videos, then please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you like my video, so that I can get to know that you are liking my content. I am making this t-shirt at home. It's so trendy, so that you guys can also go with the trend, and that too without going to brands and spending a lot of money. See how I made this t-shirt for myself. You can make your own one and let me know.
Padded shoulder t-shirt. Here I am taking old thick cloth piece for making the pads, and here I am going to cut it in kind of V shape. And here we are going to cut two different sizes. The small one will be of height 4 inch and width will be 6 inch. So the dimension for the larger one is 4.5 inch height and 7 inch width. So you have to cut 4 pieces of both the dimensions. Once we have done with this, then we are going to place 2 small pieces in between 2 large pieces, and then we are just going to stitch it from the corners. So here we have done, and this is how it looked like. If you don't want to stitch, you can even use fabric glue. There are n number of fabric glues. So here I have taken a cotton t-shirt and I have cut the sleeves in a slanty way. I cut it a bit larger, then I realized that it won't fold properly, so here I'm cutting off more piece, and this is the proper size that we need. We are going to cut both the sleeves like this, and once we have done that, then we are going to take the pads which we have made at home and we are just going to place it. While placing it, make sure the shoulder pad center must collide with the t-shirt shoulder center. Once you have placed it properly, then now I'm gonna stitch this shoulder part, and I'll paste this underarm side with fabric glue. So here I have inserted the thread in the needle and made a knot at the end of the thread. And then as you can see, I'm going to stitch this pad with the help of this needle and thread. So what I have done is I have taken the needle from the inside of the t-shirt and bring it outside. Then I'll move the needle back inside from the same spot. As you can see, I haven't made much gap on the upper surface, so that no stitching should be visible on the upper part of your t-shirt. Now when you will come inside your t-shirt, you leave an inch or a centimeter space, and then you will again move the needle outward from the pad and t-shirt, and when you have done that, then you will again have to repeat the procedure. When you will come near the corner, take the sleeve part that we left over and then stitch it along with the pad and t-shirt. Now at the end, we are just going to lock our stitching. So for that, you will take this needle and you will make a loop So you'll take the needle outward, and then when you'll take back it in. So when you'll take the needle outward, leave a bit thread. Don't pull the thread completely. Then when you'll put the needle back from that spot, then you'll pass it through that same thread, and here you'll tie your thread like this. Once you have done this, then the stitching portion is over, and this is how your stitching gonna look. If you want to stitch this inside part, you have to be really perfect. So rather than stitching it, I'm going to use fabric glue over here. Now we'll apply the fabric glue on the sleeve that we left over, and we'll fold it inside it so that it could give a proper look. If you don't want to stitch, you can just simply replace the sewing portion by applying glue. After applying glue, press it properly and let it settle down. Read the instruction of glue and do accordingly. Repeat the same procedure with other shoulder. You can even buy the shoulder. I'll put the link in the description box. Keep supporting, stay happy, stay safe. Thank you for watching.